Hi, I'm David, and I'm not teaching you how to do this today. I'm gonna show you how to get this. Hi everyone, I'm David. I'm here with my beautiful model, Jade. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
You look incredible. We were playing around with makeup. I created this stunning editorial look on Jade because she's so easy to put makeup on. But you said something really fun to me. What did you say?
I think this look is amazing, but I would not be able to wear it anywhere.
And that's a really common thing. With the work that I do often, makeup looks like this. I'm pushing the boundaries of beauty for runways or for magazine editorials, and it's really there to inspire. But a lot of times people will see this look and think, well, am I supposed to recreate that? And no, I'm not teaching you how to recreate that today. In fact, what this video is I'm gonna show you how you can look at something like this and then pull bits of it to create a look more customized for your own lifestyle, something that you still feel fabulous, but you can also still go and meet your friends with. So stick around. Okay, so we have taken Jade's eyes and lips down, reset them. We've let her hair loose. We're going from more comfortable, casual, and we're gonna recreate a look based on that editorial look, but something that you could wear every day. And I'm gonna start with the product that I used on the eyes before because I absolutely love it. This is a new product, it's from Kulfi. This is the Zari Eyes Cream Eyeshadow. Obsessed with this stuff. Really cool colors, really fun, really easy to use. And we're just gonna play with this. That's exactly what editorial is. It's playing with textures and tones, and I fell in love with this chartreuse color. It's so beautiful, so I'm gonna have you close for me. And I'm gonna be using a small Sephora Pro 15 brush, and I'm going to blend this just over her lid. Such a beautiful color. It's called Chamak Chalo. And this was one of those things that stood out in that editorial look, was really playing with a bold color like this that's got this great sheen to it. It's the moment in and of itself, is this eyeshadow. I absolutely love it. Just blending this softly up right to her crease. I'm taking that bold intensity of the editorial, I'm pulling elements from it, and I'm simplifying it. There's a gold shimmer running through all these shadows. I'm just in love with that, and I think it's so beautiful and so innovative, and that made for a really great editorial moment. But as you can see, also something really fun and easy you can wear. Also, Jade, this color on your skin is so good. It's so good. Oh my God, I absolutely love it. I'm like obsessed with this. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into another color. This is a really fun blue tone. It's called Disco Dreams. So I'm gonna be using this, but I'm gonna use it slightly different than we did in the original. In the original, I had it, going through the inner crease. Sometimes it's nice to simplify an editorial look, and that's what gives it a wearable daytime effect. So I'm gonna have you look up, and this is actually going to be our bottom color. So we're gonna run this right under the eye, creating almost a two-tone smoky eye. We basically simplified. We took the colors that we saw in that really over-the-top editorial look, and instead of trying to find the exact placement I did before, you can simply split them. Use one on top, one on the bottom, and then you've got a simplified look that still pulls from and is inspired by that really cool editorial vibe. Same thing on this side. And I have to say, these eyeshadows are like butter. They are so smooth to go on. That's why I blew it out of proportion, because I'm just enjoying blending them.
It feels smooth too.
It's right?
It does, yeah.
It's so soft. And this really goes back to a lot of times when I'm talking about editorial makeup in general. And people say, well, where am I gonna wear it? I like to use this analogy of like a restaurant. You go to a really cool progressive restaurant with all this like fusion food and stuff, like you try all this really cool stuff. You're not gonna go home and cook all that, right? No, but you might get inspired by a spice or a flavor or a vegetable, and that's what you incorporate into your daily life. That's what we're doing here. We're taking bits and pieces of the editorial work, and we're creating something a little bit more fun. I'm gonna pop mascara on, we're gonna finish off the eye, and then I'm gonna show you how to apply a lip that works with this the same way that lip did in the editorial look. Okay, so for lip, we're gonna tone it down. We're not gonna go as dark. I'm gonna be using from Haze. This is the Velvet Blur Matte Lip Balm. These are really lightweight matte shades, and this is a really cool brown tone. And so I'm gonna apply it here, and then I'm just gonna have your lips together once we have it on. Because we're gonna use this as just a really loose base. Because we wanna add some color to the lip, and we want it to be really soft, but it's not as dark as it was, and that can in itself just lightening up the lip a little bit, that color, making it a little bit brighter, a little bit lighter, makes it a little bit more wearable. You could just kind of rock this lip in general, but I do love the mixture of the shimmer on the eye with more of a matted skin and a glossy lip. So we're gonna add some gloss. I'm gonna be using the One Size, and this is actually a dual-ended lip product, which is really cool. It's got a liquid lipstick here, so a matte liquid lipstick, and then a really cool, pretty gloss. I'm just gonna use the gloss because I really wanted this brown tone here. And this is gonna be our topper for our lip. And it's gonna give us a really cool inspiration from our editorial look, but much more wearable because it won't be so dark. Really beautiful shade. We're not using a lip liner. We're keeping this a little bit more softer. Easy, quick to do. Are you ready to see it, Jade?
Yes.
Take a look. What do you think?
Beautiful.
Okay, so now where would you wear this?
I'm going out tonight for dinner.
There you go. There you go. I hope this was inspiring for all of you to look at editorial makeup in a different way and realize that you can pull from it what you like and what works for your lifestyle and your personal style in general. So if you loved any of these products, and I think you should, shop the shelf. And until next time, check out some editorial looks and make them your own and let me see. Bye, everyone.